Make chia seed pudding with me. This one's pretty delicious. We're gonna start out with some coconut milk. Spilt it all over myself. You could depend on that. Then we're gonna add the chia seeds. I did about 6 tablespoons. Chia seed pudding is so good for my girlies with digestive issues. If you are constipated, this will definitely help. Now we're gonna add some honey to sweeten that baby up. Add some cinnamon, which is also good for digestion and tastes delicious. And then we're gonna add some pumpkin spice for the fall season. Yum. If you don't like pumpkin spice, then just leave it out. Then give it a good mix. Mix that baby up. And don't forget to dance. Dance is so good for you girls. And this is the final product. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. In about 30 minutes, it will be ready, and I'll top it with some wild blueberries. Enjoy!